Welcome to Power BI certification series, and this is the question number 15 on row level security. And here is the question. Which DAX function is commonly used to implement RLS in Power BI? A. Filter, calculate, username, or all. So you need to figure it out which function, if this is only one function or all of these functions are commonly used to apply the or implement the RLS in Power BI. So if you don't know, I'm sure you will have to do the research and figure out what is the right answer. And along with that, what I have is, if you want to attempt all these such questions, then I have a Power BI certification series where you will going to see questions like this on DAX, modeling, Power BI service, row level security, all of these different types of things which usually get tested in a Power BI certification, real-time certification. So I hope you will going to find this question bank immensely useful. The link for this is present in the description. It is a paid question bank, so after paying, you will get the access of this question bank and you will be able to test your skills. Alright, with that, along with this link, I have a couple other links. So make sure you check the description very carefully, because you will find a link which will be immensely useful for your needs. With that, thank you so much. I'll meet you in the new video with a new topic.